In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your HP DeskJet 2900 series printer where the lights are flashing. First step is to go to the printer control panel. Look for the lights that are flashing. So we can see right now the light on the color ink cartridge and black ink cartridge is flashing. Wireless light is flashing. Also it says error. So always look if it says any kind of error. It's like E0, E1, E2, E3. Those are the errors. So depending on the error we can just fix the issue. If the ink lights are flashing, that means your ink cartridges are low. E0 error means you need to install the new ink cartridges. So right now I'm just going to reinstall it. So open the front chamber and install the new ink cartridges. Even if your ink cartridges are loose and they are not making contact with the print heads, even then this error can take place. Next we can see the error light that is showing up is the paper light. You will see the orange light is flashing. That means we have run out of the paper. You will also see the paper icon on the top. To fix that we just need to install the paper, lift it up, load the paper. For most of the errors, if you press the cancel button, it just removes most of the problems, but if that's not working, you can restart the printer. And the next thing we can see here is the wireless light is flashing. So that is actually not an error. That means printer is not connected to the Wi-Fi network. In case your printer is still not working, then you can just try to switch off from here and then restart it. If that doesn't work, then you have to unplug the power cable from the back side of the printer, remove any paper you have here, unplug from here, press the power button. You will see the lights will blink once, and press all these buttons once and then plug it in again. Click on the start button. Wait for the printer to start, and hopefully this will fix most of the errors you are facing with your printer. Thanks for watching.